Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand has held the Union government's decision to constitute high-level committee to study demographic change in the country, terming it historic and long-awaited step for Manipur and other border states. In a press release issued today, the Chief Minister expressed gratitude to Prime Minister Narendra Modi for launching high-powered demographic mission on August 15, 2025 and for subsequent approval of the initiative by Union Cabinet on September 11, 2025. The Chief Minister also appreciated Union Home Minister Amit Shah for recognizing demographic change as a serious issue connected to national security, sovereignty, law and order, social structure and protection of tribal societies. He assured that Government of Manipur will extend full cooperation to the committee, which will conduct comprehensive assessment of demographic changes occurring across the country due to illegal immigration and other abnormal reasons. The committee will be headed by retired Justice Prakash Prabhakar Navelkar and will include Census Commissioner along with retired IAS officer Durga Shankar Mishra, retired IPS officer Balaji Srivastava and economist Shamika Ravi as members. The Joint Secretary Foreigners 1, Ministry of Home Affairs, will serve as the member secretary. The committee has been tasked with submitting its report within 1 year, with the provision for extension up to 6 months if required.